Introducing the Presence page in Akixi CX Analytics for Microsoft Teams, where you can view the real-time availability of all users within your Microsoft tenant. To access the Presence page, open the menu on the left and select Presence. This will display a list of all monitored users, along with their departments and real-time status, which automatically updates based on their Teams client status. The list is organized by availability status, and you can customize which statuses are displayed using the Filter menu. In the More Filters section, you can filter by department and queues by simply selecting the desired options. You can also search for specific users using the search bar in the top right and sort the list by full name. Additionally, we've introduced a dark mode for the Presence page, allowing you to personalize your view further.